Hi, this is the Blind Man Handyman. I wanted to show you a little trick. Now, I never did it with this inductor. I did it with my old inductor, but I'm going to try it with my new one. I was stuck to one time and I needed a piece of metal through some plastic. I didn't know, well, I didn't know how to cut the hole, and I wanted it to be a really tight fit. So I used my inductor, and I'll show you how I did it. So here's a piece of plastic I set up here. Where's the piece of metal I have? I had to go in a difficult spot. The neat thing about it is I can still hold this. So I put that there like that. So I wanted a tight fit, and more for protection, because what I had going through there had wore because of the sharp edges on the plastic. So I've done it a couple times since. So now I'm just going to heat this up. So heat up. I'm not heating right now. I'm just waiting to see. I would have melted through by now. I'm not sure if this is aluminum or steel, actually. Oh. So I only heated the bottom part, not the top. So it slid through, and then it should cool the plastic as it goes through, because this part isn't so hot. Let me get this piece up here. Ooh, that part's hot. Shit. Probably because I waited too long. I can't even take it off because like this end's squished. This part isn't hot. Oh, stupid thing there is hot. So I wanted to seal it through and get a nice tight fit. Then it dried or cooled down. I don't know if that's cooling or not. See, it's cooled. And then I got a nice tight fit around it. Still a bit warm, but after this cools down, that'll be a nice tight fit. But now I got my, because I got that piece there. So I had it going through, had it going through some plastic pieces on a vehicle, and I didn't want to cut it and be jagged. I wanted to have a nice tube going through it, so I could route the wires through. Then I wouldn't have dirt or anything coming through. So see how that is now? So now I have a nice airtight seal. And then I just have to pop that plug out of there. And then I can take the wires and slide it through this pipe, and then I can tape the wires. Then no dust, no water will come through here. So that's why I did it. This is actually, I did a better job the first couple times. But yeah, see, it's drying. It's I'll pull it out and show you how tight it is. So that's like a perfect, nice shape, same as the metal. Hope he shouldn't have been that hot, but it is. Okay. So now if I put that in there, it's in there. I can pop that out. So now the any vibrations or anything like that, any dust, there's no dust going to go through that. It was easy to seal. I was using hole saws before, and I was in this spot where it was like right there at the fender. Water was spraying up, and I didn't really want. I also did it in a couple other places later, where I had like these little air lines going through for a lift kit and stuff. I was like, how do I get that in there? Because every other time I've done it before, it would rub and then wear through. So then now I've made these nice holes. And these holes are pretty nice. For whatever shape. I've used sockets for it. That works pretty good. And just push them through. And I like this doesn't get hot. I just put the extension onto it and just push it through. The end right here will heat up. You push the socket through and then push it in right quick. And this part's cold and it sits right onto it. And where it's chrome, you just give it a twist. Like that. And yeah. So put it in, heat it up, push it in right quick. It'll cool down. And then just give it a twist and then it pops out because it's chrome. Yeah, and you got a nice, beautiful hole. Whatever size you want. Or if you want to put something in there for, like I said, just to run some wires through, you got a dust-free area so dust can't get through and you can support your wires. Even if you had water lines or fuel lines going through there, this will support the fuel line so any vibration, it won't wear and you can tape each end. So that's just a little trick I wanted to show you. All right, blind man, handyman, just figured I'd show you some stuff that I do. Thanks for watching.